Inappropriate text messages, a combative police officer, and dog bites. All were a part of today's testimony in Karen Reed's murder retrial. And all of that was just before the lunch break today. Thanks for joining us on this Monday night. I'm Priscilla Casper.
And I'm Colton Bradford. Now, Michael Proctor's text messages, they were a bombshell during the first trial. But this jury heard them presented in a different way. NBC 10's John Maroney has the details from a very busy day of testimony. He joins us live outside Norfolk Superior Court. John?
Told Michael Proctor he read his own text messages at the first trial, but he seems to be sitting this one out, putting a friend of his on the stand and on the spot.
Yeah, but there will be some serious charges brought on the girl.
A childhood friend of Michael Proctor's reading the text the former state trooper shared with a group of 9 friends regarding Karen Reed, as well as his investigation into the death of John O'Keefe.
I'm sure the owner of the house will receive some.
And could you read Mr. Proctor's 2 responses?
Nope. A homeowner is a Boston cop too.
Reed has pleaded not guilty to hitting O'Keefe with her SUV, resulting in his death during a blizzard. Proctor was fired, so prosecutors didn't call him to testify in the second trial. Neither has the defense, instead calling Jonathan Diamandis, who passed on reading the more offensive text, leaving that job to Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan.
Mr. Proctor says, from all accounts, he didn't do a thing wrong. She's a whack job, and then uses the C word to describe. Is that accurate?
That's accurate.
Like, you can't remember my name. I don't remember.
I can remember your name, Miss Dever.
Okay.
Boston police officer Kelly Dever, who worked in Canton, took the stand. She says she told federal investigators she saw Canton's police chief and ATF agent Brian Higgins go into the Sally Port where Reed's SUV was impounded for, quote, a wildly long time together. She said she later realized she was wrong, and the defense became upset when she told them about what she called a false memory.
The one word that I can very definitely remember is they said that they would charge me with perjury.
We just wanted her to repeat what she told other law enforcement agencies under penalty of perjury.
You never told her to lie.
Thank you.
Dog bite expert Dr. Marie Russell appeared for the defense, which says the injuries on O'Keefe's arm were caused by a dog at 34 Fairview Road. She maintained her analysis despite the prosecution's efforts to challenge her findings and expertise in dog bites.
They were inflicted as the result of a dog attack.
Now, Dr. Russell was the last witness to testify today. She'll be back on the stand tomorrow. Well, I've been John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.